Hey there, Beasties! Welcome back to the Metals and Pieces channel. Today I'm so excited because we are doing an unboxing, and I don't usually do jewelry unboxings. I'll admit, I'm a jewelry designer. I don't tend to buy a lot of jewelry from other people, but this is a mega exception because today we are unboxing the Wicked Griffin. Cheers! Cheers! Come on! Yay! Woo! Okay. The Wicked Griffin is an amazing pagan brand. So, Jackie, the owner, specializes in pagan mythology. Anything you're talking about, like Celtic, Germanic, she is the expert. Now, I like to dabble in it. I love the stories. We definitely tend to, here at Metals and Pieces, focus on the Scottish side of mythos, but Jackie is like full on in, so I am so excited to see what she has sent us. So I'll admit, I ordered this one, so I know what's in it, but I've never opened one of her packages before, so we shall see what's inside. So you know those fun times when you forget to turn on the other camera? That would be that. So let's try this again. Jackie from the Wicked Griffin. Here we go. So I already cut open the bag because I thought I was recording and I wasn't, but we will do this over again. So you can see in our plain bag here. Oh, and there's something I didn't see that before. So you know what? This was good. This is good because, you know, there's something in here I didn't see. So, all right. All right. So it starts out with this fantastic card. You can see here, this is the Wicked Griffin, handcrafted artisan jewelry. I love the Jackie. And this is so neat. This is a reference chart of runes. Now, I'm not going to try to say any of them because I'd suck. Like, my language skills are English, French, and Italian. It's not gonna work for runes. Okay, but it's still so, so pretty. So there we go. That is, if you want to, like, translate what's on your stuff, or if you want to write other things in runes, this is for you. Okay, so we got that. We have my receipt or packing slip, and it just says, thank you, Melissa Jackie. Thank you, Jackie. I'm so excited. Okay. Next up, we have, this is the sheet I didn't see before. So this says care tips. I love when designers send out like extra information about their product because you're not trusting me. Like, I might have read it when I was on your website, but I probably don't remember from when I read it on your website and placed my order, and now I actually received my order. So having this is really great. So if black comes out of lettering, fill it in with permanent marker and wipe excess with the product. Oh, there's a jewelry pad in the box. Cool. Pad can use polish. I bet it's a pro polisher pad. Base metals such as brass and copper can cause skin discoloration. Yes, it can turn you green. It is the Wicked Witch effect, I call it. And yep, yeah, don't wear your jewelry while you're doing dishes. That's always good advice. And all right, so there we go. So that's care tips. Great. So this was a sealed bag when we got it. It looks like this, but I did open it before I realized that, you know, we weren't recording. So we're recording now. Okay, so the bag is a beautiful plain bag here, and you can see my nails match. How awesome is that? Totally unintentional. I just like dark nails. So this is like a bit of double stick tape on here, so nothing is getting in or out of this bag without you opening it. And when we slide out from the bag, I'm going to set that to the side, we have a lovely jewelry box. Also black. I'm really loving the black aesthetic here. And it is wrapped in bubble wrap. So again, like uber protected. The mailer, the poly mailer was not a bubble one. It's just a plain poly. But between the paper bag and the bubble wrap, this box is in like absolutely perfect condition. So that is fantastic. I'm going to slide that off. I love it. It's almost like a band on there. Okay, and here is our jewelry box. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see what's inside. And opening it up. Ta-da! Okay, let me turn this around because what do we got in here? We have a lovely little card that says, may your journey find wealth and new beginnings. Very cool. All right. Set that aside. Let's pull out. Oh, here's that polishing pad that she talked about. I have a stack of those. All right, but let's see the actual bracelet. So the bracelet, the piece of jewelry inside the box is in a plastic bag. I know with base metals, that is to prevent oxidation. You always want to store your base metal jewelry in plastic because it helps prevent discoloration. And is that black or is that purple in there? I can't tell, and either one is awesome. It's looking kind of purple, but that could just be my lighting. Awesome. Okay, so this is a kind of a half and half bracelet design right here. I'm going to move the box to the side. We don't need distracting in the background. All that to the side. Cool. And you can see this is what I was talking about, stamped in runes. Now, I don't know enough about runes to know what exactly is stamped in here. Well, I wouldn't know if I didn't custom order it. So Jackie will stamp out your phrases in runes. It's so cool. So she'll do names and dates and whatever kind of saying you want. I'm sure there's a character limit. I don't know what it is. But this one right here happens to say badass beastie. Because that's what we are on this channel. We are the Beasties, and we are totally badass. And I thought nothing is more badass than getting it done in runes. That is so cool. So we have, this is, the one that I got is aluminum. I love aluminum. I love that it's lightweight. I love that it doesn't tarnish. It's really non-reactive with skin, so that's all fantastic. And then the rest of this is on a slide cord. So slide cords are really cool. You can completely control the sides just by controlling where the knots are. So like, see, we have the two knots right here. If we pull them together, it's going to make the bracelet quite large. See? Ta-da! Quite large. And if we pull the knots apart, so there's distance between them, it's going to make the bracelet much smaller. See that? So I have freak hands. You can see here that I can scrunch my hand to be the width of my wrist, pretty much. So I usually don't have these kinds of problems or sizing problems. So what I'm going to do here, let's see if this works. This feels like a waxed cotton cord on here. Really, really nice and durable. And so I just like kind of stuck my hand in there to anchor, and I'm sliding the knot the other way. And this is the hard part now. Let's work on the other knot. Okay. I'm going to anchor with my finger there. No, I am not giving you the finger camera. I promise. It's just, that's, the longest one. So, pull that down. Ta-da! Look at that. Look how amazing that is. I absolutely love it, Jackie. Yay! Because we are badass beasties, right? Oh, yeah. So there we go. This is from the Wicked Griffin. So I will have links for the Wicked Griffin down below. I bet she also has there. I will include the link for you to get an exclusive discount code in case you want this bracelet, but you definitely want to check out all of her other amazing designs. I know this one right here is very simple in comparison to the stuff that Jackie can do. She is an astounding artist. You totally want to check her out, thewickedgriffin.com. Check it out in the links below. And that's it for this unboxing here. I hope you enjoyed. Jackie, thank you so much. I so love it. Yay! And let's see, that's it for now. So I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, bye.